How to post multiple pictures on Twitter using your mobile for Android and iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post multiple pictures on a single tweet on Twitter using your Android or iOS device. Now, the process is simple and similar. So, first what you want to do is open up the Twitter app, and at the bottom right corner of the screen you'll find the plus icon just above the message icon. Simply tap on the plus icon and head into tweet or photos. Now here the trick is, first, if you head into your photos, simply select the photos, tap on the photo that you want to upload, one photo that you want to upload, and it'll load up here at the post. Now once you do this, what you want to do is tap on the gallery icon that you can find at the bottom left corner of the screen, and now you can see the single picture that you selected at first. Now you can select multiple pictures by simply tapping on the pictures. I'll select 1, 2, you can see 3 pictures has been selected here, and you can select video too if you want. Now you can see I've selected multiple pictures. You can see add 3 option at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on add 3 and you can see multiple pictures has been uploaded here, and simply tap on tweet and your picture will be uploaded. So this way you can post multiple pictures on Twitter using both your Android or iOS device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.